If you want a Raptor, but actually need a truck, this one might be the one for you. Let's take a look at this 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor with the 402A package. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Joe Machens, Capital City Ford here in Jefferson City, Missouri for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Mike for all your vehicle needs. Powering this 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost, producing 382 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Starting up front here, we have the classic Tremor grille here with the orange accents, black Ford logo, and you see you do get a front-facing camera because we do have the 402A package. Smaller headlights on this Tremor, not quite to the same size as the Raptor or even the other trims on the F-150, which is interesting, but you do have the amber DRL. Coming down, you'll notice we have a steel bumper. That is also because we have the 402A package. Fog lights, parking sensors, and massive recovery hooks. Not to mention we do have skid plates that go all the way back in there. Coming to the passenger side, I should say also we have this Tremor hood here with these vents. So I think these are functional also, so just gives a little bit meaner look to this off-road truck. Wheel and tire setup, these are, I'm pretty sure, general grabbers. Yes, they are. 275/70 R18s. We have the Tremor style wheels. I think these are carbonized gray. And then we do get the wheel liner up front as well. Off-road tuned suspension as you would expect in this Tremor. Then you'll notice we do get the Tremor orange accents throughout. There's your Tremor badge. This one also has the Raptor style running board, which is really nice. Powder coated, super durable, color matched mirrors with LED turn signals, 360 camera, blind spot monitoring. The mirrors are kind of small. That's just kind of in general how the F-150s are. Color matched door handles with the passive lock and unlock. And coming down the side here, here's where we get the off-road tuned Tremor branded suspension. It does say Tremor on there, and we are leaf sprung. As you can see, big Tremor logo in the back. Love the accent of that Tremor orange LED taillights also in this truck. And then you'll notice the rear bumper is also steel, which you get with the 402A package. Dual exhaust on this 3.5. Big recovery hooks in the back. That's also really nice. You'll notice we do have towing hookups here also. This does tow, I think, around 13,000 pounds when equipped with this 3.5 liter EcoBoost. More Tremor badging on the tailgate, and then you'll notice this is the multi-function tailgate, which I think is a separate option. We'll take a look at the sticker here in a second. Taking a look at the key fob also, we have a powered tailgate, remote start, all the fancy stuff here. Obviously dampened. You notice we have the workspace on the back of this one. Rulers, flatter surface. So nice if you want to do something on your tailgate. This one is not bed lined, which is a disappointment. But we do get power in the back, LED lights. Tie downs, we just have one in each corner, and they're kind of high up on the back corners there. It's not the best design from Ford, but it kind of is what it is. Also power up tailgate, as you guys can see there. Love the look of the back end, and my favorite part of this is probably the dual exhaust. So you'll notice F-150 Tremor 3.5 EcoBoost. This is the iconic silver metallic. Not my favorite color. I know a lot of people gravitate towards this lighter gray. Looks okay. So here it is, your 402A package, $10,865. Now, what exactly do you get with that 402A? Obviously, you get the rear bumper and front bumper steel. The front doors and front end. You also get 4 auto. You get leather seats. You get the 360 camera. You get the upgraded sound system, among other options. for this 402A. A couple other options on this. This one has the twin panel moonroof, floor liner, blue cruise, secure code, and that's basically it. So after destination, we have $14,000 worth of options also. So after destination, this is $81,965. Now you can get these for a couple grand off, unlike the Raptor, which comes in a little pricier than this, but they're basically the same price. So a high-end Tremor and a base level Raptor, let's call it a wash, it's the same price. You're not gonna get anything off on a Raptor. So honestly, if you're looking at a high-end Tremor, this is better for daily driving, yes. I love the look of the Tremor too, probably just as much as I like the Raptor. Obviously, the big upgrades with the Raptor is the Fox suspension in the back, the live valves, obviously bigger tires also. So here's probably one of my favorite parts of the high-end Tremor is just the orange stitching and the material inside here. So we get memory seats, window controls, lots of storage. Here's your upgraded sound system, your B&O right there. I love that these speakers are black also. Payload 1,505 pounds, not bad for an off-road truck, if I'm being honest. I take that all day in this truck. Power seats. Look at these seats also. This leather with the orange accent looks awesome. Tremor logo. I like these seats, I think, better than the Raptor, the style at least. Super comfortable. We have a tailgate drop button here. Then here's our lighting controls. Parking brake. We get power pedals. And then we get the Tremor orange accents throughout. Nice grab handle up here also. So if we hop in, I think this Tremor also has about 10 inches of ground clearance, maybe a little more. Startup sequence here. Very similar to all the other Fords. Fully digital gauge cluster. This steering wheel is leather wrapped and has the Tremor accents. Super cool, nice black Ford logo in here. A little bit of carbon fiber type material here. It is fake, obviously. But we get adaptive cruise on this side. Controls over here to control your gauge cluster here. A lot of different options in here. Audio, vehicle maintenance, all sorts of settings. Let's leave it at fuel economy, that's fine. Blinker on this side. Coming here, there's our ignition. And then our Pro Trailer control. Right here, as I mentioned, you get a rear locker. And that's another, I don't know if that's in the base 401A. But you get this 4 Auto, which is huge when upgrading to the 402A package. Drive modes, I think these are all the same in both the 401A and 402A. Slippery, off-road, rock crawl. Raptor, you'll get Baja. We don't get Baja in this. Not a huge deal. Drive modes are, they're kind of cool, but kind of pointless also. No heads-up display. Nice vents on this side, and then up here we have our auto start stop hill descent control. We also get a trailer brake controller down here. This screen, similar to all the other Fords. If you look at some of the features here, you get a Pro Power on board, zone lighting, trail turn assist, you can all activate through the screen here. Other than that, coming down here, here's our climate controls, heated steering, heated seat, ventilated seat. And then if we look at our cameras, this does have the upgraded 360 camera because we have the 402A package, along with all your other side cameras, front cameras, all the cameras you need. So same cameras as the Raptor. Coming down here, wireless charging, 2 USB ports. Wrapped shifter here, no orange accents, which I think is weird. The stitching I would think would be orange. Not a huge deal. More storage down here on both sides. And then I'm pretty sure this one has kind of the office package standard. That is just a great feature. Super handy. 2 cup holders and more storage there. If we come to the passenger side, 12 volt. Another household plug-in. Nice little bit of storage there with this interesting design on this glove box, and then you'll see kind of more Tremor accents. Looking up top, just a standard rear view mirror. We do get 6 auxiliary switches, similar to the Raptor, and then this controls our rear window here, and then our sunroof We do have the twin panel. It goes all the way back, you all can see, and then we get the home controls there. Let's hop out and listen to this thing. Pretty quiet engine, this 3.5, lots of power. Obviously you can opt for the V8 in this Tremor also. Coming to the back, same story back here, same material, same amount of storage. Nice little cup holder here. Mat pockets on the back. 402A also gives you the heated seats in the rear, 2 USB ports, another plug-in down there, and 2 vents. Got a flat floor, which is a nice feature to have. And then you have Tremor branded floor mats, and then the same nice material on the back. 60-40 split when flipping these seats up, and you still get a nice little cup holder. And here's a view of the front. Overall nice setup from Ford here. All right, let's talk about this Tremor 402A, similarly priced to the Raptor. For me, that's kind of a tough pill to swallow. I'd rather get a Raptor and pay about $2-3 grand more than a 402A Tremor. However, if you're not off-roading, this is gonna be your daily driver, you're gonna get slightly better fuel economy with smaller tires, doesn't sit up as high, but you can still off-road this thing and take it almost anywhere that you can a Raptor. One thing I will say, I almost like the look of the Tremor better than the Raptor. I know most people probably disagree with that, but love the look of this truck. Love the Tremor trim. Tremor trim, say that 5 times fast. Let's hop in and take this thing for a spin. All right, we are off the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor, 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost, 402A package. This truck is extremely nice. I think we all know that. Extremely nice. My only gripe for you, Ford, is that you priced it basically the same as the Raptor. Most people, if they can get this truck or the Raptor basically at the same price, they're gonna pick the Raptor. Me personally, what would I do with this? I love the, first let me get this straight, I love the Tremor. I love the look of it probably more than the Raptor. To me, it's perfect daily driver and off-roader. If I'm buying this truck, I'm getting the 401A package. Simpler interior, cloth interior, no 4 auto. You still get drive modes, no 360. You don't get the Torsen front end, which is a big negative, but you still get the look. It's very capable still. I'm getting the 401A with the V8. This EcoBoost, probably not quite as reliable as the V8. More power, more torque, yes. But that V8 rumble, something about it, and you probably get better fuel economy in this EcoBoost also, but it's not going to last as long. That's just, in my opinion, that's simple math. Naturally aspirated versus something with turbos. These turbos will have to be replaced at some point. Now I will say the power behind this truck is unreal. Really smooth. With that 500 pound-feet of torque, that's just so good. So good. Brakes are nice. Just the comfort of this truck also is so good. The suspension's nice. The interior, it's probably what I'd miss the most going to a 401A. These seats, the cooled seats, heated steering wheel. I think you only get heated seats in the 401A. But overall, love the Tremor. Go get a 401A and get it for low 60s is probably what I would do. If I'm looking at something in the $80,000 to $85,000 price range, I'm probably getting a Raptor. With that, let me know what you all think. Ooh, it's good. Engine is good. Let me know what you all think of this 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. I like it. You think it's, the price point is a little high, being similarly priced to the Raptor? Maybe. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.